Hello, and welcome to Mindful Mondays, a series dedicated to enhancing our daily lives through mindfulness. Today, we focus on mindful eating habits. In this session, we'll explore how to connect more deeply with the experience of eating, using mindfulness to enrich our relationship with food. This practice isn't just about eating slowly, it's about awakening to the colors, textures, smells, and flavors of our meals. By doing so, we nurture a greater appreciation for our food and improve our eating habits naturally. Let's begin this journey towards a more mindful approach to eating. And as we start this session, find a comfortable seat. Place both feet flat on the ground, feeling the floor beneath you. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs, and then exhale fully, releasing any tension you might feel. Allow yourself a few moments to arrive fully in this space, dedicating this time solely to your practice of mindful eating. As we prepare to explore our eating habits, set an intention to remain present, open, and curious about the experience. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel. There's only the true experience of this moment. Let this session be an opportunity to explore your relationship with food, deepening your understanding and appreciation through mindfulness. And now begin by taking another deep breath, inhaling peace and exhaling any feelings of rushing or any distractions. Remember, mindful eating is about using all your senses to engage fully with the process of eating. And imagine now that you have a piece of fruit in front of you. Observe it as if you're seeing it for the first time. Notice its color, its shape, and any imperfections or unique marks. Touch it, handle it, feel its texture. Is it smooth, rough, or somewhere in between? And now take a moment to smell the fruit. Bring it close and inhale deeply. What do you notice? Sweetness, tartness, freshness. Each inhalation invites a new layer of awareness. And as you engage with this fruit, consider how it arrived in your hands. The journey from seed to tree, from tree to store, from store to your home. Reflect on the effort and resources involved in this journey. This fruit is a gift of the earth, nurtured by many hands. And when you're ready, take a bite. Chew slowly, and with each chew, taste the flavors. Is it as sweet or as tart as the smell suggested? Notice the texture between your teeth, the juices releasing into your mouth. Chew deliberately, allowing each chew to be an act of mindfulness. You're not just eating, you're exploring. Each moment of chewing is an opportunity to discover something new about this simple act you've performed countless times. And as you continue to eat, pay attention to your body's signals. Are you still hungry, or are you beginning to feel full? Mindful eating involves listening to our bodies and respecting the signals, not just eating out of habit or emotional need. It teaches us to differentiate between true hunger and other triggers for eating, such as stress or boredom. And now pause for a moment. Put down the fruit and reflect on how you feel. What emotions arose during this process? Were there moments of impatience, delight, or perhaps neutrality? Mindful eating is not just about the physical aspect of food, but also about recognizing the emotional responses we have to food and eating. And now let's extend this practice. Imagine a meal in front of you. Apply the same principles. Observe the colors and arrangement. Smell the aromas and taste each component mindfully. Recognize the labor and love that went into preparing this meal. With each bite, connect to the present moment, savoring the experience fully without distraction. this practice, your mind may wander, and this is natural. Gently bring your focus back to the experience of eating. This redirection of attention is the practice of mindfulness. It strengthens your ability to choose what you focus on, fostering a more intimate relationship with eating and, by extension, with yourself. And now, as we begin to close this session, take a final deep breath. Reflect on the experience of eating mindfully. Consider how this practice might change your daily eating habits. Mindfulness brings a new richness to the simple acts of daily life, transforming routine tasks into moments of deep awareness and appreciation. Carry this awareness with you as you approach your next meal and observe the changes in your relationship with food. Remember, each meal is an opportunity to practice mindfulness, to slow down, and to truly engage with the nourishment provided to you. Let gratitude and presence lead the way in your journey towards healthier, more conscious eating habits. Thank you for joining today's Mindful Mondays session. I hope this practice has offered you insights into how mindful eating can transform your relationship with food and yourself. As you continue your week, carry this mindfulness into each meal, exploring and savoring your food with intention and gratitude. And until next time, may each bite be an opportunity for presence and discovery. Be well and eat mindfully.